Hey everybody, Bud Kelly here with Kelly Photography, and welcome back to the vlog. Hope you can see me okay. It's kind of hard holding the camera. But we are at Sodalis Nature Park in Plainfield, Indiana. We are about 10 minutes from my house, I guess. But it's a nice little walking trail. But decided to get out and do a little walk, do a little hike. And so let you know where I'm at. And let's get the hiking shoes on. Let's go for a walk. Alright, so I'm going to turn the camera around. And let's do it. Okay, here we go. Hope you guys are having a great day today. I know I am. Beautiful little lake. See that duck right there? A lot of ducks out here. Let's get back on the trail. But again, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. But yeah, I didn't travel very far, only 10 minutes. But, you know, it's one of them things you guess, you know, just get out, get a hike in, you know. But next week, I am going to plan a kind of a little road trip. I don't know where yet. Somewhere in Indiana. But, yeah, I don't know, just one of them days, guys, where just had to get out and just, you know, get a hike in. But, yeah, okay, so here is the map of the trail. And we're going to do a loop. I like loop trails. And, but yeah, like if you're, I've actually come in here quite a bit, and we did my daughter's fall photos, and it's a beautiful little park, you know. Like they tell you, like what kind of habitats out here, animals and trees, and but it's a nice little nature walk, you know. So. But if you're also like a beginner hiker, this place is actually a great place to start, because it's only like 2 miles, and it's really not that hard of a trail. But again, it's like it's a lot of fun. I did bring my camera, so I don't know. I might do photos and I might not. I don't know. But yeah, some parts of the trail is gravel, so it's not really like a rugged trail like you normally would hike. So that's what I'm saying for a beginner hiker. This place actually is a great place to go. And as like I said, like we're kind of like in the Mooresville, Plainfield area. So yeah, so if you're like around the area, come on out. It's just, but yeah, so I'll get the camera out. Probably do some photos of the lake, which I've done before, but so it'd be nothing new to you guys. Well, depending if you follow my website and all that, which the link will be down below, so feel free to check it out. Sounds like a shotgun. I don't know. Probably somebody hunting wabbit. Is it wabbit season? I don't know. Sorry, I don't want to play a joke. Sometimes I'm not good at jokes. Oh well. You gotta live life someday. But yeah, I mean, I kind of had a negative day yesterday. And, but no, I don't believe in drama. I don't believe in spewing it out on social media, because I think that's right down immature and stupid. But, you know, it was just, and I ain't gonna let one negative person ruin crap for me, you know? So, just, yeah, I had a negative day yesterday. And, but I didn't let it destroy my day. I didn't let it kill me. And that's why I do this, guys. Just kind of say, you know, had a crap day yesterday. It's over. It's yesterday. Today's a new day. That's why there's this Buddhist quote that says, every morning we are reborn. So basically when you get up every day, it's a new day, you know? Don't let yesterday destroy you. It's not that big of a deal. I mean, you can keep moving. I mean, it's like in the movie Rocky, that's why it says, you know, life can beat you down. But it's about taking the hits and keep moving forward. I wonder if we can go that way or that way. Let's see. Okay. Someone's like, kind of like, where's Waldo? So yeah, we went by the lake. There we go. Trees. There we go. Okay, let's go this way. Why not? I mean, it's a loop. It's not like one. I think some guy posted in the All Trails app that there's I think he was talking about this being a back trail, and it loops on back over. And he said it adds a couple more. Adds a little bit more to the trail. I don't know. Let's find out. That's another thing, guys. If you don't know where you're at, man, prepare for that. Because I about got turned around one time. And, you know, it wasn't really bad if I started in the morning, because I knew kind of where I was, but I kind of got turned around. And when you're in the woods, it all looks the same. And the worst part about it was, I was trying to beat the sunlight, or trying to beat the sun, because the sun was coming down, and I was almost like, uh-oh, hope I can get to the truck fast enough. But, you know, everything worked out, and I was okay. But as like I said, always prepare, guys. And I mean, I had some lessons learned so far. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I had a crap day yesterday. But it's like I said, it's over. I'm now hiking, which is one of my biggest passions now. And this is what resets your energy, guys. You know, you get out in nature, and it just does, man. It resets that good juju, man. Gets that positive vibe back in you. I mean, there's this guy I follow. His name's Garage Jim Homie. And he's got a really good channel, man. He's got some good messages on there. Talks about, you know, like inside their head. Gets noisy up there. Man, you just got to get that noise out, you know. And that's what hiking does for me, you know. Even going to the gym does too. Which I walk a lot at the gym though. And but yeah, man, just don't let bad things stew in your head. You know, I used to have that problem. I really did. And I used to let it really bother me. But you know, now I ain't used to talking to a camera either. So, you know, so sometimes you gotta step out of your comfort zone and start doing things that has a good message and can make yourself feel better. Yeah, it's what, you know, hiking and photography does for me. I enjoy it. So find a passion that you got, man, and go for it. Okay, guys, I might take a couple photos here in a little bit. So I'm gonna cut this part of the video off, and we'll go from there. And I'll see you soon, guys. Hey everybody. Okay, we're like kind of past the halfway mark, and we're not really too far. I mean, we're almost up to the lake, I believe, and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you guys this part of the trail. And if you keep going that way, you end up in private property. So yeah, kind of stick to this part of the markers. That is important. One time I learned that the hard way. Okay, and here's one of the trail markers, and we have a little sign talking about bats. Yeah, that's right, guys. There is more than corn in Indiana. We got bats too. You got that right. Yeah, I got no problem with bats. I was at the gym one day, and a little baby bat got inside and kind of hung itself from the ceiling and was dead asleep. It's kind of cute, or I thought it was. You know, a lot of people like puppies and kittens. Nah, I like bats. But then again, I'm a reptile guy too, so I'm the guy with the tortoise. It's the only animal I have now, so. But yeah, I mean, it's a nice little hiking trail. I actually love this part of the trail. I mean, most of it is kind of gravel, which is cool. You know, I mean, it's not that bad, but I kind of like trails through the woods. Those are my favorites. I mean, most parks, you know, you just got regular walking trails and stuff like that, but I love these kind of trails. Kind of get you in the middle of Mother Nature, you know. I like being around trees and stuff, and lakes, waterfalls, stuff like that. So how's your guys' day going? Mine's going great. Going really good. But yeah, you know, it's like you wake up, go do a hike. Your day's all better. It's one thing I love about it, you know, and I know I've mentioned this in a previous video. But I mean, it's great for the mind and body. You know, you get some good cardio. Kind of really helps the mental health too. Yeah, I know I talk about it a lot, but you know, might as well. Gotta keep mentioning that. I'm not telling everybody to go hiking or nothing, or I'm not trying to push it, but I kind of want you guys to see the journey. You know, it's like, you know, like when people start working out, you know, you start, you know, eating better, taking better care of themselves, then you notice your body changing. It makes you feel good, man. It makes you feel great inside. Not just for your body, but you know, for your the mental part of your body, or I mean, the mental health part. That's what I meant. But it's like, no, it's like, you know, like when I go hiking though, it's like, you know, you're done, your body feels a little exhausted, you know, your muscles, in your legs, you know, it's like, I mean, it's a good workout. You know, and when you're done, you just feel better, you know, like, you know, it's like I mentioned earlier, you know, it's like, yeah, I had a crap day yesterday. I didn't let that kill me though. I didn't let it ruin everything. I said, guess what? I'm gonna get up, do a vlog, let you guys know I'm having a great day today. And hopefully you guys can come out to the park here. And that's why I kind of like enjoy doing the vlog. Like, there might be somewhere that you never heard of, and even places I never heard of. So I can go, put it on video, do some photography for you guys. And you're like, holy crap, we need to check it out. So yeah, man, I mean, it's kind of a win-win, you know? Also, when you go to parks, it, you know, like it helps them out too a little bit. You know, you get people going, you can have a picnic or whatever you're going to do, you know. And also I like hiking because, you know, that's what we used to do as a family. But, you know, I mean, they live in Washington now and they're doing good. We all keep in contact, we talk all the time. But also I keep doing this to keep the good memories going too, you know. Like, I don't really sit and worry about the past too much, you know, because like I said before, each day's a new day. So, but no, I mean, it was just something that was added brand new to my life, and I knew how good it felt. So that's what you kind of got to do. Do what makes you feel good. You know, it's like, when I talked about the podcast, I enjoy doing the podcast, Like, me and Sarah started that, and she was a big, huge part of that, getting that podcast going with me. But, and I got my best friend Brooke co-hosting it with me. So yeah, if you guys are into that kind of thing, check out Paranormal Vantage Point. Keep in mind, it ain't all about everything, because I'm a skeptic. So, it's a nice looking dog. Hello, how you doing?
Good.
Good looking dog.
Yeah.
That's right, back doing the Indiana thing. We say hi to everybody. I like being friendly with people, though. And I think, finally getting out of my shell, because I went through a dark phase, man, at one time. I didn't get out and do nothing. So this busted that out, makes me get out and enjoy life. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut this part of the video off, and I will see you at the end of the trail. All right, stay tuned, guys. Hey, everybody. Okay, we just completed the trail, and I got my 2 miles in. Like I said, it's not a bad hike, walk, whatever you want to call it. And just completed the trail, and it's a beautiful trail, so feel free to come on out, and you really like it. Beautiful park, great scenery, great nature, and we're going to go towards the lake here. I'm going to let you guys check this out. Yeah, check it out, guys. Beautiful, beautiful place. That's why I love doing this vlog. Okay, guys, we're almost at the parking lot. So I'm going to put the video camera up. I'm going to get the other camera back out, and we're going to do some photos of the lake and try to get some shots in. So thank you for spending the day with me. Thank you for watching the vlog. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next hike. See you guys.